Welcome back everyone on Try TV. Jason here, and today we bring you a Tesla accessory for our brand new 2024 Model Y. We have here the Cirtek 6-piece floor mats, and what we're going to do here is unbox and take out the original floor mats, which you see they're pretty dinky, and replace them with these. And if you're interested in the Cirtek 6-piece floor mats here, I got them off of Amazon for $89.99. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can test them out yourself. But before we get started, like the video, subscribe, it's greatly appreciated, and we will move forward. So if you do or don't know, Tesla original floor mats are very dinky and very thin, almost useless, I would say personally. So what I'm going to do first, I will take out the original floor mats that we have inside, and I'll bring them out here to show it to you, and then I'll unbox this box and show you what we got here. So here are the original floor mats. You can see here, it is a 3-piece set, and if we look closely, you can see that they are like basically paper thin. You can see that right there. If you flip them over, they're regular floor mats, but if you flip them over, they do have this velcroing like in the corners here, so then it does stick to the main carpeting in the vehicle, so then it can stay attached. But again, these are dinky, scrawny, whatever you want to call them, below subpar floor mats. I mean, I've even heard that people actually go to the their delivery locations with their new floor mats and just install them right then and there. My number one recommendation, if you are new to the Tesla car game, would be get new floor mats, because these just won't hold up. But yeah, those are it. Let's move forward now with the unboxing. All right, here you can see the diagram of what's on the box right there and what it actually has. Protects car carpet, premium materials, non-slip design, easy to clean. And here on the side, we have the name, PTE car floor mats, Model Y 6-piece, the weight, the measurements. All right, made in China. And down here, you can see right there, the model number. All right, you can see that it is nicely packaged in there. It is a bit heavy, so it's going to take me 2 hands. So let me put it out, and then I'm laying it out on the ground so you can see it all. All right, there we go. There are the floor mats. Also inside the floor mat pack came the installation instructions for our Model Y 6-piece. Right there you can see we got the warnings. We got when installing all-weather floor mat linings right there. We got a diagram, and in the back of it we have installation positionings, warm reminder, front installation instructions, and rear installation instructions. So that is nice and dandy. They provide all that right there. I did want to say, when searching on Amazon, there are tons and tons of different floor mats for the Model Y. I mean, I've seen floor mats, 6-piece floor mats to be exact, ranging anywhere between like I think $80 all the way to like $450. Insane, wild pricing. I went with something economical that we could just put in our car and would protect the actual carpeting, which I hope this does. But if it doesn't, I'll make sure to make a video on that. But let's get into these carpets here. You can see that they are actually, they look like rubber almost, but I don't want to say they're like rubber, but they are like all weather, maybe like a harder plastic. You can see here, this one goes to the driver's side format here, and if you turn it around, I've noticed that this one, unlike the other formats we've got in the past for the 2023 Model Y, it doesn't have any spikes down here, so I am concerned about that if it would slip and slide. But those floor mats were actually a lot more expensive comparably. So here they are. This one right here is for the Frunk. This is for the rear trunk, the smaller one right there. I do not have these actually for our 23. So that's pretty cool that it actually came in this actual set of 6 for only $89.99. And here is the rear for the trunk. It is pretty thin and it looks flimsy, but as long as it actually covers the carpet and protects, I think that's all that really matters. And again, it does not have the spikes that you see here. So that is one concern that I have, that it would slip and slide when driving. But again, that's something we'll have to test out. So those are the carpets. I'm going to install them so then you can see how they look like after they are placed in the vehicle. All right, there you go. It is fully installed now. It was very easily. All I did is slide it in there and pop corners, push them down, and it fit like a glove. You can see though that there are some openings here that are really not seamlessly on the actual siding here. But I think it's because, you know, it's been in the actual box. I don't give an excuse. I'm sure with the heat and over time, it will flatten more, flatten against the side here. So then this gap will close, but we will see with time. Something I did want to mention though is back here. You can see that the rear of it, I would have thought had a little, I guess, lip or something. So then like water, salt, or dirt wouldn't go directly onto the carpet back here, like say if you're braking. But it has like a little slight hill, and that's about it. I would have liked it to have like some type of wall like over here, not obviously as large as this, but maybe half of that at least back here. So then, you know, it'd be harder for wall, sand, whatever to roll back onto the carpet back here underneath the seat. But overall, it does look good. It feels sturdy. I'm moving it as hard as I can, and it doesn't seem to be sliding, so that's good. And that's without the actual pegs that they usually have with these all-weather mats underneath it. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. Let me show you the driver's side mat right here. Again, it looks good. Nice high walls against the carpeting siding there. Again, you can see there that it is not flush up against here, but it's all right. Again, I think it just takes time and maybe for the heat to help it settle. Same thing over here. There is no wall. It's just a little slight hill. So maybe with a hard brake, whatever, if you have sand, water, whatever, would slide back down there. Overall, though, they look really good. Let me show you the all right, the rear mat back here. It might be a little difficult to see. I apologize. We have baby seats in the way, but I'll do my best. So you can see there that it looks like it definitely fits well. The grooves and all the spacings here, you can see that. And this actually has a really high back, so I guess for the seat here, so that's really well. This one overall looks great. Does not move. I am pushing it as hard as I can and nothing. Let's go check out the trunk, the underneath trunk, and the frunk. Here's what the rear trunk, underneath trunk, whatever you call it, looks like. Barren, nothing there, really good. And now we place the mat inside of it. All right, fits like a glove. You can see that. Boom, boom, boom. And yeah, looks good. I like it. Very neat. All right, let's get the trunk mat in now. All right, installed, and you can see here, it does cover up the sides nice and well, so that's awesome. Obviously, it is a little poofy still. You can see that. I'm sure with time it just flatten out. Again, my main concern is because it doesn't have the spikes underneath it that it'll actually move as you're driving, but you know, with my hand it doesn't. I did want to bring up though that again, it is thin. It is thin. I mean, but for basically $90, I guess I wasn't expecting super high quality thick rubber, and this doesn't feel like actual. It's more like it is all weather, but again, it's maybe like heavier plastic material, which again, if it does the job, wonderful. And the frunk, there we go, ball and bearing and cover. Looks good. All right, everyone, and that was the Cirtek 6-piece floor mats. Again, I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the descriptions if you like to test them out yourself. So far, so good. They look good, at least installed, and if they do fail, I'll make another video. I'll let you guys know what happened with them. If you do like this type of content and you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video. It is greatly appreciated, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.